Okay, for number 17, we're going to solve by completing the square. And to do that, we want to first move the constant over. So that's going to be 3x squared minus 2x equals negative 1. And then the next thing we want to do, because this coefficient before the x squared term is 3, we need that to be 1 to use the completing the square method. So we're going to divide every term by 3, which will leave us with x squared minus 2/3 x equals a negative 1/3. And then we're going to complete this square. We want to half this middle term and then square it. So we're going to take 1/2 of that negative 2/3, which is going to give me negative 1/3. And then we want to square that term. So negative 1/3 squared is going to give me a positive 1/9. 1/9 is what I'll add to both sides. And then when I factor this left-hand side, that would be factored as x minus 1/3 squared. Remember, to come up with this number, you've already done the work when you halved that middle term, that negative 1/3. So that's factored as x minus 1/3 squared equals, and then on the right-hand side, this is a negative 3/9 plus that 1/9, which would give me negative 2/9. Then we want to take the square root of both sides using the square root property. Take the square root of both sides, and that will give me x minus 1/3 equals plus or minus square root of negative 2 over 3. We'll write that in imaginary in I form, and then I'll have x equals, add 1/3 to both sides, so it's 1/3 plus or minus I square roots of 2 over 3. And depending on what form you want to leave that answer, typically that's going to be okay as our solution. So 1/3 plus or minus I square roots of 2 over 3 would be your two solutions to that problem.